Okay, please let's not do the musical chairs again, Loki. Oh, for the love of God, no. So this is gonna be my background until I basically move out, because this is pretty much the only nice backdrop that I have left in the house, because everything's just kind of getting packed up. So let's do a Dollar Tree haul. We're gonna leave Loki out, but you know how he is. If I sit at this dining room table, he wants his own chair. I don't know if I should pull this chair out. Loki, you wanna sit right here? You wanna sit in your chair? No, not my chair, your chair. Yeah, not my chair. No, your chair. Between him and Loxy, like, personality, they're hilarious. They are just absolutely hilarious. Comment down below and let me know if you watched Loxy go back and forth in her shenanigans, what, 3 houses ago? Comment if you watched that, like, when that video first came out. And then there's this one. Y'all have seen it all with my dogs. Okay, so Dollar Tree haul time. I'm super excited for this one because I just have a bunch of like random little things. I know I've been like heavy on junk journaling supplies lately just because it's like my newest obsession, and I do go in waves when it comes to Dollar Tree. Like sometimes I'm looking more heavily at toys, or I'm looking more heavily at DIY items or home decor, things like that, or like even like moving supplies or hacks and whatnot. But this one I feel like is like good and random, not too much junk journaling stuff. So we've got 3 bags, or like 4 bags. So I'm gonna start with this one. A repeat item. This is my toothbrush. I really have not switched. This is all I get. I don't get my toothbrushes from anywhere else. And there it is, love it. All right, then we knew this was gonna happen, right? Everyone knows. And then I found these super cute, this is the summer collection at Dollar Tree. I think I found way more than this. Where are the other ones? This is why I need to pre-sort. Oh, here's this one. Yeah, so we've got this really pretty bright pink, which has a like pineapple, and then we've got the red one, which has the watermelon. They also have all of the dinnerware that goes with this, by the way. And this one is my personal favorite. This is a dish drying mat, by the way, in case you're wondering like what this is. But this one I do want to open up fully so that you can just like see how beautiful that print is. I've been talking about how I look at this, I have to literally keep my arm. I've been talking about how I want to do like oranges for decorating, but I don't know what's happening. I still don't have any answers. As soon as I do, I will do a full video talking about the whole moving process. So, sounds crazy, because it is. Okay, I just needed some cotton swabs. I went with this one. Now, oh, what? Loki. I don't want to do any editing. And this is just not, this is not it. He said, "You're talking too much." He said, "Shut the hell up and let me get on this table and spice things up." This is not an X-rated channel. You have to put up your parts. We had a good long chat. He understands the requirements. So I got these cotton swabs. There's 200 in here. Pay attention to this because quantity can vary, but it's all going to be priced the same, right? It's all going to be $1.25. So, but I still went with this instead of the one with like 250 or 300 cotton swabs because this one just looked like thicker. And I will say the cotton swabs at Dollar Tree for the ear, they're just not padded enough. It feels like you're just sticking plastic in your ear, and that doesn't feel good. So I want to try those, see if they're any better. I don't know. All right, then I picked up these sponges. I think I was gonna do like a DIY in today's video, so I might be able to do that. I'm kind of on a time crunch, but I did pick this up for DIY, and I picked up red, white, and blue paint. I don't know where the blue one is. I'll find it here in a section because I found these stars. Where are they? Here they are. I found these stars at Dollar Tree. Look how gorgeous they are. Like, how is this $1.25? Crafter square, so you can DIY them. Obviously, you can tell where I'm going with this. Red, white, and blue. And then you can get another set. I think 6 is a pretty decent number for a garland, but it obviously depends on how much length you're trying to cover. But if you pick up 6 of these, and then you can either paint them all red or all white or all blue, and then do like triple layers. But if you want to do one single string, you could alternate red, white, and blue, red, white, and blue, and that would be really cute and create a garland. Or you can paint these individually and you can put them in a tiered tray. So maybe I'm inserting the clip right here of what they look like once I finish painting them, just so you can kind of like see. But that was the gist of me getting that. Okay, next up, I did find the hand and nail gloves. I wanted to do this along with the foot mask that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So I got that. I found some new notebooks. Always got to be on the lookout for notebooks, because they're like one of the items that like Dollar Tree heavily like turns around. So, which I'm not mad about. Paper feels pretty decent quality, so that's really good. But yeah, so we've got some new notebooks there. I also found these, which are so cute. So these are brand new to Dollar Tree. We had a discussion about distance. So these two are actually matching, and then these 3 match, if that makes sense. Now this is by Jot, and we've got the cute little whatever that thing is. And then look at that. You open it up and you've got all of these absolutely adorable little sticky notes. I'll say this again, if you're into planning, junk journaling, bullet journaling, these come in handy for that. We have this pattern right here. Here we go again. Super cute. I love how we're getting like different shapes on these sticky notes. That's really awesome. $1.25. And then these are Jot as well. I lost my co-star. We've got a little memo pad set. What? Look how cute. So we've got little page flags. Yeah, little sticky note set. Here is this pattern. Love that. And then we've got this little floral pattern. If you need to put together a care package, Dollar Tree is where you go. Okay, so there's that. Then I've got like something just like fell out of this bag. Here is the blue paint, by the way. So I just went classic red, white, and blue. I also found these adorable pens. Now I know I've hauled them before, but I feel like one was messed up. Like, look how cute the rain cloud is. And then we've got the moon and the star. I love novelty pens at Dollar Tree. This is also something that you do see quite often. So there's that. All right, then I found these little felt games, and I was so shook for this. This is great for a road trip or traveling on the airplane, whatever. Keep the kids busy. Also, I just want to throw this out there. My sister-in-law, when she flew to me this last time with my little nephew, she bought like the Dollar Tree window clings. You know, the ones that like are like rubbery and they look like Jello. She bought those, and then like he spent a good hour, and this flight was like delayed by a long time, and it kept him entertained the entire time. and he would just like put it on the window and stick it places. So like there's a hack for you. But anyways, these are felt games. So this is Felt Memory. I love this game. I grew up playing Memory. It's one of my favorite games. Honestly, I want to play it again. So how cute, but it's like felt. So it's like a fabric. And then we've got Felt Checkers. That is absolutely amazing. I love the store for things like this. All right, then I found a bunch of stickers. So like, you know the drill, let's just roll through them. But they are new. I've never hauled them. Look how cute this with like the green. Wow, this little sticker pack is brand new. And I found this one. Oh my gosh, the little turtle just takes me out. This just has like a chalkboard farmhouse feel to it. Oh, that is so cute. I thought it was a mushroom for a second from this view, but it's not. It's a hydrangea. That. Now, this one right here is absolutely adorable. I don't know if it's this haul or maybe it's the next haul, but tune in because the one that I found that looks like this, I can't. But they make these in multiple, like when I say these, I mean like this style. Just like the color and yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, but it's a good sticker. There's that. And then this is like a little rub-on transfer. These also transfer onto paper. So you can use this for junk journaling, planning, all this stuff. And then I just picked up another one of these. This is one of my favorite little sticker packs, like this watering can with the heart, the apple tree, like the chick. Everything in this is so freaking adorable. The pink tree, are you kidding me? Then I picked up this laminated calendar. They have different like patterns. I got this because I think I might use it to like map out June and everything that's kind of going on in my life and just kind of have it like visually off of my phone because everything's like pretty much in my phone, but it'd be nice to just like turn and my eyes look at it, if that makes sense. It's like always there. So I got one of those. Then I found this. I just had to bring this home with me to show this to you guys, but this is the Discovery of Animals 500 dot to dot. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, out of all the like activities and puzzles, I hate, loathe, despise. I'd rather throw myself into shark-infested waters than do dot to dot. But just because I don't like it doesn't mean somebody else doesn't like it. And I do like to show you guys all the things that I think is amazing for $1.25, even if I don't personally like it, or even if I don't have a particular use for it. I do end up donating these kinds of items. So I do get that question a lot. So there's that answer. Okay, next up, I found that Be Pure put out some facial products. And I'm like, what? We've got a cleanser and a moisturizing lotion. What? Who is this line? I need to know more about this. I need to research this, but if you happen to know, maybe you did the research, comment down below and let us all know. Is this like another company, but they are outsourcing to Dollar Tree, or like Dollar Tree's buying from them, or does Dollar Tree own this company? Like, what's going on with this Be Pure line? I need to know about this. So I found that. I also picked up all of these little acrylic organizers. Like, look how pretty they are. And then this one. Like, have you ever stepped into the Container Store and seen those prices? I'll never forget. I still remember going shopping before Micah's freshman year at college and going to Container Store, and I said, I'm sorry, they want how much? And then we've got these. I mean, these have been around for a while. You can also stack them, do some really cute DIYs. You can also use them for like craft room organizing. Okay, then I found these little spray bottles. I've hauled them before, but I thought I could use them for moving. So we've got gray, this beautiful blue, and a clear. So we've got that. Now this shook me. What the hell is this? First of all, it's a spray bottle, but it comes with a label. That is what's shaking me about this. So it is a bathroom cleaner, and they give you the concentrated pods. That's what's in here. The pods are in here. They show you how you do this. You fill it up with water, add the pods, and then you like shake it up and what? This is why I love this store. This is why I love this store. Okay, next up, more makeup removers, except these I think are a little mitt. Like you can put your little hand in there. And you already know how I feel about these little makeup remover towels. They are everything. Any chance for me to remove chemicals from applying it to myself, I will. And when you think of like makeup remover wipes, like unfortunately there's stuff, right, that makes it wet or whatever. This, you just use water. It's the towel and the water, and that's it. So I really like that. They also come in blue, pink, and in black. So maybe you could do this one for like your eyes, the rest of your face. I mean, I don't even know how to process that. Then I found these absolutely adorable little lip balms. I almost glazed right past it because I don't know what I thought it was, but I know I didn't think it was lip balm. Look how cute these are. I have to open this. I don't know why, but it's just like, it's reminding me of the 90s, the early 90s. I remember when my grandmother would order from Avon. And this just reminds me of like the little girly things that like sometimes she would get for me. But this is nostalgia. Go pick this up just to open this and smell it. If this doesn't take you back to the 80s and 90s, I just do not know it will. Then we have grape. Can you see that product right there? Ooh, it's very jelly. I'm telling you, this store just can do no wrong in my eyes. They just cannot. Did I go through everything? Hang on, let me just double check. Yes. Okay, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys loved this haul. Comment down below, let me know from these items what you want to be shopping for. I want to see actually how many of you want this. And let me see. I want to see how many of you want the felt. The little felt memory games. But like comment, let me know all the stuff that like you want to be looking for and get yourself. So anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.